Hello, with me is Marie. She's coming from
French Guiana.
yes, and I'm filming her because she really how to say surprised me with her poster because she did one amazing game. I will show you about open access, and this game is for whom?
These games are for masters and PhD students. We teach them competence and knowledge about open science, about licenses, about bibliographic citation, and I prepare my science so as to have 20 minutes about theories, and then there is 20 minutes about playing. And in the game, they use the knowledge we see in the theory. So then I make 20 minutes in theories also, and another 20 minutes in playing, and so then feedbacks. And,
oh my God, so maybe you can show us a little of this game, how this works?
This game is License to Kill. It's a game to teach them what are the different licenses of intellectual property. There is the 6 licenses of Creative Commons. There is the 2 copyleft, strong and weak. There is the public domain and the copyright.
And then we have these cards. These cards are?
This card, this is 5 teams with colors. In every card there is a number of points. More is the point height, more it's difficult to place in the board game. And
oh my God, this is really good, you know.
And they choose.
I would play this.
They choose for 12 points.
Okay.
Cards for 12 points. The number they want.
Okay.
And so they have to position this card with, for example, I can edit image and graphic I use by setting the author.
I must put it on this chart.
On the licenses which are in accordance, but there is 2 action cards.
Okay.
Which move all the cards in right or in left, 1 place or 2 places in right or in left, and so a card which comes on a license and which is not in accordance goes in the hand of the player, and if it's and if it comes here or here, it returns in the hand of the player, and the first which plays all its points win.
Okay, great. And who is the winner? Everyone who is the winner? Everyone who
the first who placed all its card points.
Great, amazing. Thank you. Can I maybe, or can also other librarians can get this? Can get this play?
All these games are available free in an open archive, Zenodo. You can download this, you can using this, modifying this, and then you make another version, for example, a version in your language. You can so sharing in Zenodo.
Great.
It's a bit to reuse.
Thank you.
We ask you just sitting the French University of Guyana.
Thank you.
Thank you.